This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. Undo the clamp and release the trunking. Disconnect the wiring plug. Then disconnect the vacuum hose. Release the pressure sensor from the mounting bracket. Release the duct from the front panel and pull the air cleaner upwards to remove it from the vehicle. Loosen the clamp nut, then detach the earth lead from the battery negative terminal post. Always disconnect the negative terminal first before working on or disconnecting any electrical component on the car. Position the lead away from the battery. Pivot up the plastic cover from the positive terminal, then loosen the positive lead clamp nut. Detach the positive lead from the terminal and position it away from the battery. Undo the 3 nuts securing the battery top clamp plate and lift it off. On certain models, 1 or 2 vacuum hoses may be clipped to the clamp plate. If so, detach them before removal. Slide up and remove the front panel of the battery tray or remove the retaining bracket as shown, depending on the model. The battery can now be lifted from position and removed from the vehicle. Take care because the battery is heavy. Position the new battery into the vehicle's battery compartment. Secure the battery in position by refitting the retaining bracket. Then install and fasten the clamp plate, tightening the 3 nuts to secure it. Reconnect the battery positive terminal connection first. Make sure the battery terminals and clamps are clean before refitting and that the clamp nuts are tightened securely. Then reconnect the battery negative terminal. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the positive and negative terminals. Install the air cleaner into position, noting the position of its mount points. Then connect the duct at the front. Attach the pressure sensor bracket to the air cleaner casing and secure it in place using the screw. Reconnect the vacuum hose. Then reconnect the wiring plug. Then reconnect the duct and tighten the clamp.